Hello students, and the question is, a boat is traveling downstream in a river at 40 km per hour. If after traveling half the distance the speed of stream increases by 40%, then the boat would reach its destination in 15 minutes less than the usual time. Find the original speed of the stream given that the total distance covered by the boat is 420 km. And the options are A 5 km per hour, B 10 km per hour, C 7 km per hour, or D 4 km per hour. Let's check the solution. Okay, so let the original speed of the stream be x km per hour. Now, the original time taken to cover the journey will be 420 by 40 because the distance covered by the boat is 420 km and the boat is traveling downstream in a river at the speed of 40 km per hour. Therefore, the time taken will be distance by speed, that is 420 by 40 equals to 10.5 hours. So, the time taken to cover the first half of the journey, to cover the first half, we are just dividing it by 2. So 10.5 by 2 equals to 5.25 hours. Now, time taken to cover the second half of the journey. According to the question, if after traveling half the distance the speed of the stream increases by 40%, then the boat would reach its destination in 15 minutes less than the usual time. So after the first half of the journey, time taken to cover the second half of the journey will be 5.25 hours. That is the time taken to cover the first half of the journey minus 15 minutes because it is taking 15 minutes less than the usual time, which is equals to 5 hours. 5.25 hours minus 15 minutes equals to 5 hours. So the speed of the boat in the second half of the journey will be 210, that is 420 by 2, that is 210 by 5 hours equals to 42 km per hour. So speed of the boat in the second half of the journey is 42 km per hour. So the net change in the speed is, first it was 42 kilos. In the second half of the journey it was 42 km per hour, and in the first half of the journey it is given as 40 km per hour. So the net change in the speed is 2 km per hour of the speed is increased in the second half of the journey. So 1.4x minus x equals to 2 according to the question here, that if traveling after half the distance the speed of the stream increases by 40%. So 1.4 x minus x equals to 2, that is 2 km per hour. On solving this, we are getting 0.4x equals to 2, therefore x equals to 5. Therefore, the original speed of the stream is 5 km per hour. Hence, the correct answer is option A, 5 km per hour.